Hey guys, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay kagaya ng nasa litrato dito sa video. So yan ang gusto nating ma-achieve. So ang gagawin natin is babalatan natin siya ng dito sa taas hanggang dito sa kabila to expose yung shell. So yun muna yung una natin gagawin. Okay? So, here we go. Hey guys, it's me, Mark from the future. So, I've decided to do a voiceover because it was getting a bit loud on this video. The background noise of the boats. And the breeze is getting strong. But yeah, to carry on, we have put a mark around the coconut seed shell, and we're gonna deshell it very slowly and carefully so as not to damage any roots that has already been established on the top side of the shell. And as you can see, the roots have really grown strong for this one already, but not strong enough to keep it upright from a pot. So what we're gonna do is to submerge this into a container that is elongated, and so that the roots actually get a lot more stronger for a period of probably 3 to 5 weeks. And as soon as it's ready, we're gonna start potting the edge of the roots into a pot, probably using a stick to stabilize it at this early stage of it, but then it should be able to keep itself upright later on. And as you can see in the video, we have sandpapered the shell so that it's clean and fiberless to be polished by a varnish, and so that it would look so much nicer. So here's our container. We are going to submerge the root part up to the shell. You have to make sure that your container is long enough to allow the roots to even grow stronger and longer. So basically at the end of this container, when the roots are long enough, they're gonna start circling at the bottom of this container, and that's what we want to achieve. And that is also the part that we're going to submerge on the pot when we put it on a pot with the soil. Very important is trimming, and we make sure that the leaves actually grows smaller if we constantly do this. So I suggest that we do this twice a week, and that way we're allowing the leaves to actually be mutated, and they become dwarf leaves. And this is what we have to be patient about and consistently do it on a weekly basis. So as you can see, I've actually already cut off some petioles, and if you can see the base of it, that is up to where we cut it off. But this time on this particular bonsai, I'm not gonna do that because the middle part of the petiole is actually quite weak, so we're gonna tie it up with a stronger one, and then we're just gonna cut off the one on the right side when the center part is already strong enough to hold itself. When it comes to varnish, I have chosen the darker ones, but there are many different shades of it, so you can select to your liking. I normally would paint it on the shell itself and along the sides of the coconut. It's really up to you. And then after 5 weeks, we're gonna redo this varnishing again. So this is just the first part of this particular episode. We're gonna give you an update on this in another 3 or 5 weeks when we start to repot it or plant it. But for now, we're gonna put it aside somewhere that it's not really gonna get a direct sunlight. So I will hide it behind my other plants. I actually have a few coconut bonsai hiding behind this plant corner, and we're gonna put him here. Okay guys, so this is 3 months later. The roots are ready and they seem strong enough to be placed in a pot. And if you notice, it's so much longer than the initial stage. So we're gonna start the repotting process. And it's pretty simple. We're just going to bury the probably a third of the roots and put it in such a way that it's able to stand upright, and we're good to go. So let's do this. There you go. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you good luck on your coconut bonsai. Let me know how yours is doing, and I'll see you again next time. Take care. Thank you so much. Goodbye.